Hi everyone, this is Evie with another pour. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a layer on the canvas, and it's going to be orange. Just so when I do pour, it will move on the canvas easily. And this might be a negative space pour. Okay, actually this paint is pretty transparent. So this may not be the best paint to do for the, I think I just need more paint. I think once I have more paint, it should be fine. The paint's a little thick though. Should have thinned it out a little more. Okay. So I need to have paint at least on the corners. And this paint is just paint and Floetrol and some water to thin it out. It's got no silicone in it, none whatsoever. So we'll get the sides, but this may not have been the best color to pick because number one is too transparent. Okay, so we've got the canvas covered, probably with too much paint, but that's okay. So let's find a cup. Okay, I have a cup. I've used it before, but the paint inside is dry, so I'm gonna use it again. Okay, the colors that we're using, which is the heaviest? I'm not sure which is the heaviest color, but I'm going to start with this tealy color, tealy turquoisey color. So this color, so we have paint, we have silicone, we have paint, Floetrol, and some water, and then a few drops of silicone. So we'll start with this tealy color. I think the paint is too thick. Oh well. Okay. Next we have this brown color. I believe this is burnt sienna. Yeah, my paints are too thick. Put a little bit of that in the cup. Here, I'll put the cup where you can see it. Yeah, you can see it over there. Okay, so now we will start with a dark orange. Actually, I should have started with red. So we have an orange. Let's go ahead and put in red. We have some red. Some orange. And then I just have various shades of orange. We have this really light orange. Kind of like a medium orange. Oh, they look like the same color. I was wrong. And then we have this super light orange. Now we'll go with the darker orange again. We'll go with red. We'll go with brown. Where's my brown? Then we'll go with the turquoisey color. Want more of the turquoisey color. Then we'll put in some more brown or burnt sienna. Some more of the turquoisey color. Some more brown. Okay, so I generally don't mix my paints, but I think I will mix it just real quickly. Just do an X. Ooh. That's all I'll do. Now let's flip it. Flippity flip, and we'll leave it there for a minute or two. We'll do a negative space pour. So we'll do diagonally. We'll do the pour diagonally. Okay. Ready, set. Oh. Ooh, I'm losing most of it. Oh, wow. I am getting these nice and huge cells. Okay, let's tilt it a little bit. Oh, I lost a lot of it. This is awesome. This is great. This is what I was looking for. Nice huge cells. Okay, so I've got more paint in this cup. Okay, I see some of the red coming through. That's good. There's some of the lighter orange, some of the red, some of the teal. Oh, this is awesome. I'm getting cells. I'm not going to use the torch. I don't have a torch, actually. I'm not going to use... Okay, so let's see if I can stretch it a little that way. I don't want to lose what I have over there. And this is cool. Yeah, I still have some more paint. Okay, so I'm not too happy with this brown right in the center, so I will go ahead and put some of this paint that's still in the cup. This is awesome. I'm really digging this. Okay, so the secret is my silicone that I just tried today. This is worth showing you because I'm so excited. Let's see. This is the silicone I'm using today. This coconut milk serum. It's OGX serum. And this stuff is really awesome. I've got huge cells, and I haven't been able to get these huge cells before. Completely awesome. Let's get in a little closer. Okay. Oh, I'm loving these colors. I hope I keep all this when it dries. Look at the turquoise. Ooh. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.